Welcome to the module on GDP components and twin deficits. In this module, we're going to be looking at different parts of the economy, separating out different components of GDP and figuring out how each part of the economy operates to put them together later on and develop a model of macroeconomy and analyze it in more detail. So once we've examined these components, then we're going to develop a fundamental identity for the macroeconomy that will connect different parts together, and it help us understand the relationships of different parts of the economy together much better. In particular, we're going to apply this idea to the relationship between GDP, budget deficit, and trade deficit. And then we're going to finish the discussion by examining the components of balance of payments and some terminology that are going to be helpful in reading news and analysis about economics.